नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इयत्ता 10वीच्या मॅथ्स 1 मध्ये तिसरं जे प्रकरण आहे अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, या प्रकरणाची सुरुवात आज आपण करतोय. सो व्हॉट इज मीन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन? We see years, but before this we see what is the sequence. अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन म्हणजे काय आपण पाहणार आहोत, पण त्यापूर्वी त्याला आवश्यक असणारा घटक जो आहे तो म्हणजे सिक्वेन्स, तो आपण इथं पाहतोय. सो फॉर दॅट वी राइट हियर सम एक्झाम्पल्स. वी ऑब्झर्व हियर. लुक इन दिस एक्झाम्पल. फर्स्ट I write here there are set of numbers. So in first examples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In second examples 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. In third examples 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And in fourth examples 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So observe all these numbers what we get here. So त्या पहिल्या उदाहरणामध्ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 आहे. 5 नंतर किती येणार आपण सांगू शकतो. 5 नंतर किती येणार आहे? 6, 7, 8, 9. इथे जे दुसरे एक्झाम्पल दिले 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. आफ्टर दॅट विच नंबर इज कम हियर सर? आफ्टर 15 वी राइट हियर सर 18, 21. देन आफ्टर इन थर्ड एक्झाम्पल्स 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We get here next number, that is a 30, 35, 40, as so on. And in fourth examples, right here so 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. After that we get here so 36, 49, as so on numbers. विचार करा की आपण याच्या पुढच्या संख्या का सांगू शकतो? कारण याच्यामध्ये काहीतरी विशिष्ट संबंध आहे, स्पेसिफिक रिलेशन आहे. म्हणजे एका ठराविक संबंधाने ह्या संख्या तुमच्या समोर येतात. तिथे आपण पुढच्या संख्या सांगू शकतो कारण याच्यामध्ये काहीतरी संबंध आहे. इन द फर्स्ट हियर्स सेट ऑफ नंबर्स वी राइट हियर्स फर्स्ट पोझिशन 1, सेकंड पोझिशन 2, थर्ड पोझिशन 3, फोर्थ पोझिशन 4, 5 पोझिशन 5, because all these are natural numbers. And after this we write here 6, 7, 8, 9, as so on. In second example, these numbers, it is the multiple of 3. That means this number is here 3 into 1. In second position, that is a 6, that means 3 into 2. So that is first position, second position. This 9 become here 3 into 3, that means third position. This 12 become here 3 into 4, that is the fourth position. And this 15, it is 3 into 5, that is the fifth position. म्हणजे संख्यांचा जो क्रम आहे तो क्रम एक विशिष्ट क्रम आहे. एका विशिष्ट क्रमाने ह्या संख्या येतात. सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 म्हणजे त्यांच्यातील जो क्रम संबंध आहे तो कसा आहे? नैसर्गिक आहे, नॅचरल आहे. वी ऑब्झर्व यास थर्ड एक्झाम्पल, दॅट इज अ 5. दॅट मीन्स 5 into 1, that is the first position. In 10, that is a 5 into 2, that is the second position. In 15, that is a 5 into 3, that is the third position. In this 20, that is a 5 into 4, that is the fourth position. And this 25, that is a 5 into 5, that is the fifth position. So as like we get here some natural numbers, the position of this number as natural. In fourth examples 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, all these are square numbers. So that is 1, it is the square of first numbers. 4, that is the square of second numbers. 9, that is the square of third numbers. 16, that is the square of 4. 25, that is the square of 5. So look here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all these are natural numbers. थोडक्यात काय बघायचं आहे की इतर संख्या मालिका लिहित असताना त्यांचा जो क्रम आहे तो क्रम कसा पाहिजे? नैसर्गिक पाहिजे. नैसर्गिक क्रमाने ह्या संख्या जर येत असतील तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? सिक्वेन्स म्हणणार आहे. म्हणजेच थोडक्यात सिक्वेन्स म्हणजे काय? सो लुक हियर सिक्वेन्स. सो वी हियर डेफिनेशन ऑफ सिक्वेन्स. व्हॉट इज मीन हियर? अ सेट ऑफ नंबर्स वेअर द नंबर्स आर अरेंज्ड in definite order like naturals. म्हणजे त्या संख्यांचा जो क्रम आहे तो क्रम कसा पाहिजे, नॅचरल पाहिजे, देन इट इज कॉल्ड अ सिक्वेन्स. त्यावेळी त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, सिक्वेन्स म्हणतो. सो ॲज लाईक वी शेअर्स द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सिक्वेन्स. इन दिस सिक्वेन्स there are numbers in a particular positions. So look here, so that is the first position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position. So first position you call here so A1. That is the first position. A1 is first number. Then that is the A2. Second is A2. A2 means here so second position. Then A3, that is the third position. A4, that is the fourth position. And A5, that is the fifth position. As so on you get your number, that is the AN, means here the nth position. So as like we write here, so position of all numbers in this sequence. And all this sequence you represented by alphabets. That is the first sequence you denoted here, so F1, second sequence F2, third sequence F3, fourth sequence F4. As shown you denote here, so F1, F2, F3, F4 as like you denote or represented by represented sequence. So sequence you represented by alphabets F1, F2, F3, F4 as so on. So as like we share, so what is mean sequence? Now we share so one more example how to create sequence. Sequence कसा तयार होतो तो आपल्याला बघायचा आहे. But before this you write all this. Now we share so how to create a sequence with one pattern. I write here one pattern and take number of circles. So look here in this pattern, I write here one circle. So how many circle it is? That is the one. Then I take one pattern and make one pattern here. So this circle same as it is and increase here one circles and this circles. So how many it is now? 3 circles. Then same this figure previously I draw here. Now increase horizontal one circles and vertical one circles. So that become pattern of circle here. So how many these circles? This is the 5 circles. Then again I make here as like. So look here, so that is the fixed circles. I increase here 3, increase here 3. So how many it is? 7. Then after I make another pattern of this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. म्हणजे एक सर्कल आहे त्या ठिकाणी घेतला आणि हॉरिझॉन्टल इनक्रीज 4, वर्टिकल इनक्रीज 4. So how many it becomes 9. So you get here some numbers. Look here, sir. In every pattern, that is a single circles. I increase here 2. I increase here 4. I increase here 6. I increase here 8. So previously we add 2 circles. So it becomes here so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these are the sequence. Now you think about here some 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11. So you get here so one relations. Every next numbers increased by 2 previously numbers. म्हणजे पुढची संख्या ही अगोदरच्या संख्येपेक्षा 2 न जास्त आहे असं एक रिलेशन आपल्याला इथे मिळेल. सो दॅट इज अ सिक्वेन्स. याला काय म्हणायचं आहे? सिक्वेन्स म्हणायचं. In our textbook there are given some examples as like you try to understand it. Now we share one more examples. You tell me yes it is a sequence or not. I write here 6, 7, 9, 5, 11, minus 15, 25, 30, 16, 18. Is it sequence? Look here, sir. 6 after 7, 7 after 9, 9 after 5, 5 after 11, 11 after minus 15. Then 25, 30, 16, 18. So can you tell it is a sequence or not? हा sequence आहे की नाही तुम्ही सांगू शकता का? बघा देयर इज नो स्पेसिफिक रिलेशन बिटवीन एनी टू नंबर्स. कोणत्याही दोन संख्या घेतलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये स्पेसिफिक रिलेशन असं काय नाहीये. कारण इथं 6 नंतर 7 म्हणजे 1चं वाढ झालेली आहे. 7 नंतर 9 2ची वाढ झाल्या. 9 नंतर 5 म्हणजे 4 न संख्या ती कमी झाली, म्हणजे इकडे संख्या वाढलेल्या परत कमी झाल्या. 5 नंतर डायरेक्ट 6 न संख्या वाढली. 6 नंतर -15 आलं म्हणजे मध्येच निगेटिव्ह नंबर्स आला. निगेटिव्ह नंबर आल्यानंतर डायरेक्ट 25 आलं, म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये काय संबंध आहे का? सो देयर इज नो स्पेसिफिक रिलेशन बिटवीन ऑल दिस नंबर. सो इट इज नॉट अ सिक्वेन्स. इट इज नॉट अ सिक्वेन्स, म्हणजे याला आपण सिक्वेन्स म्हणू शकत नाही. So, as like we share some, what is a sequence, how to identify. Now it's just the next point, but before this you write all this. Now we share some terms in a sequence. Sequence मधील पद कसं येतात ते आपल्याला बघायचं. So I write here sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are the first term in sequence, second term in sequence, third term in sequence, fourth term in sequence, and fifth term in sequence. So look here, sir. That is the 2 is the first term. Then 4 is second term. 6 is third term. 8 is, that is the fourth term. And 10 is, that is the fifth term. So every time you cannot write as like first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth terms, as so on. So it is denoted by one notation. In terms there is a T. T means terms. We write here the symbolically small t, and once T1 means first term. Then T2 means second terms, T3 third term, T4 fourth term, and T5 fifth terms. So as so on, we write here so all terms in sequence. But there are many terms. There are many terms. You denoted as likes T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, as so on. You write here so Tn. Suppose there are n terms, त्याच्यामध्ये n terms आहेत, infinite numbers आहेत, n terms आहेत. So you lastly denote here as Tn, that means nth terms. It is called here as nth term, म्हणजेच शेवटचं पद. So as like we decide here, determine here terms in this sequence and number of this sequence, that is a T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, as so on. You write here the last term, that is a Tn terms. You call here the nth term. Now we share the next part, but before this you write all this. We write here some examples of sequence on this board and observe all this. In this all sequence we find out here specific relations in two sequence or similarities in two sequence. या सर्व सिक्वेन्स मध्ये काही विशिष्ट संबंध आहे का, काही समानता आहे का, ते आपल्याला इथं पाहायचं आहे. In first sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Observe this: 1 after 4, 4 after 7, 7 after 10, 10 after 13. By observing, what you get here, sir? 1 नंतर येणारी 4 संख्या किती ऍड केल्यानंतर मिळते? 1 plus 3. So look here, sir. 1 plus 3, you get here, sir, 4 numbers. Then after 4 plus 3, you get here 7 number. Then after 7 plus 3, you get here 10. Then after 10 plus 3, 13. म्हणजे काय मिळालं इथं? पुढच्या संख्येमध्ये, म्हणजे पुढची संख्या काढण्यासाठी, नेक्स्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी प्रिव्हियस नंबर मध्ये एक संख्या ऍड करावी लागते. ती कॉमन संख्या आहे 3 3 3 3. ऍडिशन ऑफ 3. म्हणजे प्रत्येक संख्येत जर तुम्ही ऍड करत गेला, एक विशिष्ट संख्या ऍड करत गेला तर पुढची संख्या मिळते. सो देयर आर ऍडिशन ऑफ 3 in this sequence you get here the next numbers. So which are the next numbers in this? Look here, we write here directly. So here's a 13 plus 3, that is a 16, 16 plus 3, that is a 19. So these are two new numbers we get here. Then next here, observe second, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 6 after 12 and 12 after 18. By observing this, you get here 6 plus 6, 12. Look here, 6 plus 6, you get here 12. Then 12 plus 6, you get here 18. Then 18 plus 6, you get here 24. And lastly here 24 plus 6, you get here 30. म्हणजे दुसऱ्या सिक्वेन्स मध्ये तुम्हाला ऍडिशन ऑफ 6 केल्यानंतर पुढची टर्म मिळत जाते. सो वी गेट डायरेक्टली नंबर्स. आफ्टर 30 you get how much? 30 plus 6, that is a 36. 36 plus 6, that is a 42. So as like we get the next numbers. So in these two sequence we add a specific numbers. We add here some specific numbers. Then in third sequence 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 numbers are set. पण 3 नंतर 3 कधी मिळू शकतं? काहीतरी ऍड करावं लागतं, काहीतरी मायनस करावं लागतं. म्हणजे इथे ऍडिशन ऑफ काय करणार आहे? ज्यावेळी संख्येमध्ये काहीच बदल नाही, देयर इज नो चेंज इन नंबर्स, ऑल नंबर्स आर सेम, देयर आर ऍडिशन ऑफ 0. So look here, I write here directly 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 0, 3. That means addition of 0 here. So next number it is also 3, here also 3, as so on. In fourth examples, -1, -1.2, -2, -2.5 and -3. So look here, what you add here? You add here some -1, -0.5. What is here, -1 plus -0.5. What you get here, -1.5. Then in this here, -1.5 plus -2, you get here -0.5, you get here -2. म्हणजे इथं प्रत्येक संख्येमध्ये तुम्ही काय करताय? -0.5 ऍड करताय. -0.5 काय करताय? ऍड करताय. आफ्टर एडिशन ऑफ -0.5 you get here some next numbers. So what is your next number? After -3 you get here some -3.5, then -4. So as like we get here after addition of -0.5 next numbers आपल्याला पुढच्या संख्या मिळतात. Now in fifth examples, 4 after 16 and 16 after 64. So look here, 4 plus 12, 16. म्हणजे 4 मध्ये 12 मिळालं तर 16 येतं, पण 16 मध्ये 12 मिळाल्यानंतर 64 येतं का? म्हणजे ऍडिशन करत असताना एक विशिष्ट संख्या घ्यायची, म्हणजे इथं आपल्याला ऍडिशन करता येणार नाही. बट 4, 16, 64, that is a multiple of 4 numbers. So I write here 4 into 4, that is a 16, and 16 into 4, that is a 64. म्हणजे इथं काय मल्टिपल ऑफ 4 आहे, मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ 4. म्हणजे 4 न मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला पुढची संख्या मिळते. सो यस, यू गेट नंबर्स व्हेन यू मल्टिप्लाय नंबर. Then last examples, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. That means cube of 1, cube of 2, cube of 3, cube of 4. What do you get numbers here? So these are cubic numbers. All these are cubic numbers. But 1, 2, 3, 4, that is a natural numbers. It is a sequence, but there is no specific relations. That means as like we share addition. म्हणजे ऍडिशन सारखा इथं प्रकार नाहीये. म्हणजे 6व्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपल्याला ऍडिशन करून पुढची संख्या मिळत नाही, या संख्या वेगळ्याच मिळतात. So it is a sequence but not relation in this. Now observe all this. In this 4 example, look here. In this all 4 examples, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4. In this all sequence, you add a specific numbers. Addition of specific numbers. म्हणजे तुम्ही ते काय केला, या 4 सिक्वेन्स मध्ये एका संख्येची ऍडिशन करत गेला. ऍडिशन केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला पुढील संख्या मिळत गेल्या. When you add a specific number, you get your next numbers. So we write here the addition of specific numbers, and that sequence is called here some arithmetic progressions. What do you call here some arithmetic progression. म्हणजे ऍडिशन केल्यानंतर जर तुम्हाला पुढचे नंबर मिळत असतील तर त्या सिक्वेन्सला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे, अरिथमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन. म्हणजे एक्झाम्पल नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 ऑल दीज आर इन अरिथमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन्स. म्हणजे ही अंकगणिती श्रेणी आहे, कारण त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त आपण ऍडिशन करतो. इन 5th example, there is no addition. You multiply all numbers. You multiply a specific number to each. Then you get your next numbers. So here is a multiplying. What is the relation here, sir? Multiplying. If you multiply previous number to specific numbers, जर अगोदरच्या संख्येला एका विशिष्ट संख्येने मल्टिप्लाय केला, then you get your next numbers. So it is also sequence, but it is a geometric progressions. What do you call here, sir? Geometric progressions. So it is a geometric progression. So we share sir arithmetic progression, then geometric progressions. म्हणजे ऍडिशन केल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय मिळतं, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, आणि मल्टिप्लिकेशन केल्यानंतर काय मिळतं, जॉमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन. But in these last examples we do not add or subtract or multiply or divides. आपण कोणतीच क्रिया इथं करत नाही. So you get here sir, in these last examples there is no addition or multiplication. So it is a neither arithmetic nor geometric progression. म्हणजे arithmetic पण नाही आणि geometric पण नाही. So we share only what is the relation between sequence and what is the similarity in sequence. If there are in previous number you add specific numbers, you get your next numbers. It is called arithmetic progressions. And in sequence in previous number you multiply some numbers, specific numbers, you get your next numbers. That is called here geometric progressions. Now in these years we see only arithmetic progression. In these years we see here only arithmetic progression, not study about geometric progression. So we start here arithmetic progression, but before this you write all this. Now here's arithmetic progression in details. For that we take examples as 100, 70, 40, 10. So in this sequence next number is a decreased, but how many? So look here, first number is a hundreds, then 70. So you get here 100 minus 70, that is a 30. That means here's the addition of minus 30. So I write this 100 as like here's 100 plus minus 30. You get here's 70. So as like you write here 70 plus minus 30. You get here next number, that is a 40. Then 40 plus minus 30, you get here 10. As like you find out next number also, 10 plus minus 30, it becomes here minus 20. So as like you find out here next numbers. Then in second examples, what is second examples? Minus 7, minus 4, minus 1, plus 2, as so on. So what do you get here? So minus 7, that is the first numbers. And you add here some numbers you get here -4. So which is this number? So look here, so -4 minus -7. -4 minus -7. So what do you get here? So -4 minus plus 7, that is a 3. म्हणजे काय केलं तुम्ही इथे addition of 3. So -7 plus 3, you get here some -4. Then -4 plus 3, you get here some -1. Then -1 plus 3, you get here some +2. As one here some 2 plus 3, you get here some 5. So you get next any numbers. तुम्ही पुढच्या सगळ्या संख्या काढू शकता. In third examples, 4, 4, 4, 4. You get here the same numbers, but there is addition of 0. There is addition of 0. That means here 4 plus 0, you get here 4. 4 plus 0, you get here 4. 4 plus 0, you get here 4. 4 plus 0, you get here 4, and so on. Now you observe all these examples. You get here some next numbers, but after addition of a specific numbers in previous numbers. अगोदरच्या एका संख्येमध्ये पुढची विशिष्ट संख्या मिळवली तर तुम्हाला पुढच्या संख्या मिळत राहतात. So that is a sequence. It is called as arithmetic progression. But we share some terms in this. What are them? In each sequence, you get your next numbers after addition of specific number in previous numbers. So it may be negative numbers, it may be positive numbers, or it may be zero numbers. In that here, so we add negative numbers. In that sequence, we add positive numbers. In that we add here some zero numbers. But in every sequence, addition subtraction of number is a constant. म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय, in every sequence subtraction of two conjugate sequence is a constant numbers. म्हणजे प्रत्येक सिक्वेन्स मध्ये कोणत्याही क्रमागत दोन संख्यांची बेरीज वजाबाकी केली, प्रत्येक सिक्वेन्स मध्ये कोणत्याही दोन क्रमागत संख्यांची वजाबाकी केली तर येणारा जो डिफरन्स आहे तो कसा आहे, कॉन्स्टंट आहे. So difference will be constant numbers. The difference between that means we share some difference between any two conjugative numbers, conjugative terms is a constant, and this constant difference, this constant difference is called common difference. Is called here the common difference, and it is denoted by D. It is denoted by D. म्हणजे कोणताही सिक्वेन्स घेतला त्या सिक्वेन्स मधल्या कोणत्याही दोन क्रमागत संख्यांची वजाबाकी केली तर ती वजाबाकी काय असते, कॉन्स्टंट असते. म्हणजे त्यांच्यातील फरक हा समान असतो, कॉन्स्टंट असतो, स्थिर असतो. त्याला आपण काय म्हणायचं आहे, कॉमन डिफरन्स, अँड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय डी लेटर्स. आणि डी या लेटरनं तो आपल्याला दाखवायचा आहे. नाउ शेअर्स प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. नाउ शेअर्स प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. लुक हियर सर. So what is the definition of arithmetic progression? Look here sir. If the difference between two conjugative terms, दोन क्रमागत पदामधील डिफरन्स, which are the terms tn+1 minus tn, म्हणजे tn+1 हे पुढचं टर्म आणि त्याच्या आधीचं टर्म कुठलं आहे, tn चा दोघांची वजाबाकी, इज अ कॉन्स्टंट. कसं आहे, कॉन्स्टंट आहे. Then it is called arithmetic progression, and in short you write AP. A means arithmetic, P means progression. So in short you write here AP. AP means arithmetic progressions. Now see in this remaining next part, but before this you write all this. In this sequence, that means in arithmetic progression we share tn+1 minus tn. That is the common difference. It is denoted by D, and it is called here as common difference. In the arithmetic progression, there is a first terms, that is the T1s. So this first term is denoted by A. First term, that is the T1, it is denoted by A. First term T1, that is A. Now we write as next second term. That is a T2. But T2, that is the addition of common difference, that is A plus D. As like we write here a third term, that is a T3. Now we write here a T3. So T3 means earlier term is T2 and you add here a common difference D. So what you get here, sir? T2 means here sir A plus D plus D. So you get here sir A plus D plus D 2D. So write here sir A plus 2D. So that is a T3. So as like we write here sir third term. Now fourth term. So what is fourth term? Look here sir T4. Write here sir T3 plus D. What is in T3 here sir? A plus 2D plus this D is equal to A plus 2D plus D, that is a 3D. So that is a T4. So as like we get here sir sequence in arithmetic progression. How is it right? So look here sir. We write here sir AP. Therefore AP. How to write? First term, that is A. Second term, that is A plus D. Third term, A plus 2D. And fourth term, that is A plus 3D. As like you write here so all term in this arithmetic progression. So in this part we see here so how to write arithmetic progressions. Look here so how to write arithmetic progression. So it is first term A plus D, second term A plus 2D, third term and A plus 3D, that is fourth term. A plus 3D, that is the fourth term, as so on you write all terms in this arithmetic progressions. Now we solve here some example depending on this arithmetic progression, how to solve examples by using all this. But before this, on page number 59 there is given let's remember. तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी काही भाग दिलेला आहे, तो भाग तुम्ही नोट डाउट करा, लिहून काढा आणि लक्षात ठेवा. On this arithmetic progression, how to solve examples we see here so one by one. But before this you write all this. Now we shall how to solve example on depending on arithmetic progression. So what is question? Which of the following sequence are AP and if it is an AP, find next two terms. पुढे दिलेल्या कोणत्या क्रमिका अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मध्ये आहेत, जर असतील तर पुढच्या दोन टर्म शोधा. सो इन द फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल्स 5, 12, 19, 26. सो राइट योर फर्स्ट सिक्वेन्स. What are the first terms? So first term, that is a T1 is equal to 5, then T2 is equal to 12, T3 is equal to 90 and T4 is equal to 26. So you write your first difference between this. So what is your sir? T2. T2 minus T1, that is a 12 minus 5. So write here sir 12 minus 5 is equal to how much it is? 7. T3 minus T2, that means T3 is here 19 and T2 here sir 12. So 19 minus 12, that is a 7. And T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is here sir 26 minus T3, that is a 19, and 26 minus 19, that is a 7. So what do you get here sir? Common difference is same. Therefore common difference that is a D is equal to 7. It is same. Here common difference D is equal to 7, that is the same, and first term, that is A, is equal to how much it is? 5. Therefore, look here some. In this sequence, common difference D is same and first term is A is 5. Therefore, given sequence is in arithmetic progression. Given sequence is in arithmetic progression. Therefore, next term, which is the first year's next term, that is the 26 after. So right here, so 26 plus common difference is 7 is equal to almost 26 plus 7, that is the 33. And second term, after 33 plus common difference, that is 7, 33 plus 7, that is the 40. So 33 and 40 these are the next two terms of this sequence. So this one examples. Now we shall see next examples. In second examples, 1 1 2 2 3 3. So that is a sequence. We write here first T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to 1, T3 is equal to 2, T4 is equal to 2, T5 is equal to 3, T6 is equal to 3. Now find out here common difference. T2 minus T1, how much it is? 1 minus 1. So right here 1 minus 1, this is 0. Then T3 minus T2. T3 how much here, sir? 2 minus T2 1 is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. So look here, sir. Only two differences sufficient for determine this AP or not. So here, sir, T2 minus T1, that is 1 minus 1, 0. And T3 minus T2, 2 minus 1, that is a 1. Your common difference is not same. So I write here, sir. Therefore, T2 minus T1 is not equal to T3 minus T2. Therefore, common difference is not the same. Common difference is not same. Therefore, given sequence is not in AP. So as like we determine here which is the sequence is AP or not, and if it is a AP, then how to find next two terms. We shall the next example, but before this you write all this. Now we solve here next example. The first term A and common difference D are given. Find first four terms of AP. जर तुम्हाला A ची किंमत दिल्या, D ची किंमत दिल्या, तर त्या अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनचे पहिले चार पद तुम्हाला काढायचे. So right here first given. What is given here, sir? A is equal to minus 3 and D is equal to 4. So we write here first term, that is a T1. T1 means that is a A. So A is equal to minus 3. Then T2. How to write T2? You add common difference in previous terms. So T1 plus D. T1 plus D. What is the left? T1, that is a minus 3 plus D, that is a 4. And minus 3 plus 4, that is a 1. Now find out T3. T3, that means a T2 plus D. So how much? T2, that is a 1 plus D, that is a 4, and 1 plus 4, that is a 5. Then you find out fourth term T4. So T4 is, that is a T3 plus D. T3 plus D. So what is the left? T3, that is a 5 and D is here, sir, 4. is equal to 5 plus 4, that is 9. So as like we find out here, so if A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to 4, we find out here, so T1, T2, T2, T3, T4. We write in the form of AP, therefore AP is equal to first term, that is a minus 3, then 1. So as like we solve your example depending on arithmetic progression. Now we will stop here in this video, but you solve practice set 3.1. There are given as like all examples. You solve this carefully. आता आपण इथंच थांबतोय, पण तुम्ही काय करायचं, प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1 सोडवायचं आहे, जेणेकरून या प्रकारची एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्हाला सोडवता येतील. प्रॅक्टिस सेट सोडवण्यासाठी तुम्हाला कोणत्याही प्रकारची अडचण येणार नाही, त्यासाठी हा व्हिडिओ तुम्ही काळजीपूर्वक पहा. आपण इथंच थांबतोय, पण त्यापूर्वी हे एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही लिहून घ्या. पण व्हिडिओ पाहिल्यानंतर तुम्ही सर्वांनी हा व्हिडिओ लाईक, सबस्क्राईब आणि शेअर करायला विसरू नका. आपण पुन्हा भेटतोय याच प्रकरणाच्या पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत सर्वांना धन्यवाद. बाय बाय. सी यू वन्स अगेन. बट डोंट forget to subscribe, like and share this video.